Hello data enthusiast. Are you an aspiring data analyst or data scientist? So this video will be helpful for you. So this video is regarding file handling in the Python. So you may ask, what is the use of file handling? So file handling is very useful in data analyst life in mainly web scraping. So we will discuss web scraping later. First of all, we'll see what is file handling. So file handling, what is file handling? File handling or file operation is a method to create or read or append the data by using file by using the different types of modes. Modes are write mode, read mode, or append mode. So we will see what is file handling or file operations clearly in this video. So first we will discuss one by one what is write mode and what is read mode and what is append mode. Yeah, first we will learn what is write mode. The write mode is used to create the file. Means we will open a file from the our desired file path and write some text or data in that file. Then automatically it will save in the file path. So this is the syntax how to open the file through write mode to create a file. So here I am creating countries data. So that is reason I am keeping my file name as a countries.txt, and we have to give file path very clearly, otherwise our file won't save in our desired path, or sometimes it may throw an error for us. So we have to give clear file path. So here I am mentioning some countries which I know randomly. That slash n indicates I want to give the input to the file as a new line. Every country should be shown as a new line. That is the reason I'm giving slash n after every country name. But if you want to show total whatever the text you are writing total, if you want to show in single line, you no need to give slash n. It will automatically automatically show as a single line in the text file. But here I want to show every country as a new line. That is the reason I am keeping here a slash n for every country backslash. Yeah, I created file now, so we will check once whether the file saved in our desired path or not. So if you want to give comments, that's our wish, we can give. See, this is the file I wrote. It's the file I opened through write mode. Now our write mode is completed. Now we will go to read mode. So read mode is used to read the file, already existed file in the file path. See, now we will read the file, whatever. Now we will read the file which we created now. The mode is changing now. Here I mentioned R. Earlier it was W. So R is mentioned for read, W is mentioned for write. So opening the file through read mode. See, this is the output. See, whatever the countries earlier I wrote in the countries.txt, we are seeing here. So what if I want to read only one line at a time? So there is a method to read only one line by line. So that is called readline. So we will see what is readline here. See here, I read only one line, first line. But if I want to read 2-3 lines, what I have to do? Okay, see here. If you want to read up to 2 to 3 lines or whatever the lines we want, we have to copy paste that readline command again and again. So this is the readline method. We can read at a time only one line or single line or first line. But if you want to read more than one line or up to 10 lines, we have to copy paste that same command again and again up to 10 times to read the 10 lines. But it is uh, not recommend every time. Why? Because if you want to copy paste every time, it's not that much good. So there is another method called readlines method. So we will see what is readlines method here. Yeah, this is the readlines method. So readlines method, it will show all the lines at a time. But what if I want to read up to 3 lines? We can go through index method. See here up to 3 lines from the 0. See, we can, it will take as it is index method. We have to give input as index. Yeah, 2 to 6. So index will start from 0. Okay. Yeah. If you didn't mention any index, it will print all the lines. And we can use for loop also to read the line by line. So this is the read lines method. So read lines method is used to read the all the lines at a time, and we can read the lines up to whatever the lines we want. Now append mode. What is append mode? So append mode is used to add the data to the already existed file after the existing data. To do append, so we should have two files. So we will copy the data from one file to the another file. That is the appending method. So here I have already countries file. To do append, I told you we should have two files. So to do append, I'm creating another file, capitals.txt. See here I'm writing capitals randomly. Don't mind if I type any wrong capital name. So now our capital file is ready. See the output. So now we will read capital file also. So we already opened the capitals file through read mode. So to do append, we will open the countries file through append mode. See, here I forgot to mention the mode name. Here we open the countries file through append mode. For that we should mention A. Yeah, same file. Now we appended the capitals to the countries text. So now we will open that file through read mode to see the output. See, copy paste the exactly variable's name, otherwise we'll get error. So this is the output of appended file. See, first I have country's name. After that, capitals pasted as after the existed data. See, this is file handling in Python. So now we will check our knowledge what we have learned in this lesson. So these are the questions. See, this 5 question: what is the mode we can use to read mode? The file, what is slash and indicate the file? How to read all lines at a time? What is the difference between read line and read lines in file operations? And what is the append mode? And why do we use append mode? So please comment your answers below the video. That's all.